Another suspected African swine fever case was reported in South Korea on Tuesday, and within a matter of hours, it was confirmed. This latest case at a pig farm in Paju is in the same area where the first case was confirmed just a couple of weeks ago. The number of confirmed cases now stands at 10, with little sign the spread will end anytime soon. Jung-hwan with the details.
Yet another case of African swine fever has been confirmed by South Korea's Agriculture Ministry. A suspected case was reported on Tuesday at a pig farm in Paju, a city close to the inter-Korean border, and the test results came back positive before daybreak on Wednesday. Paju is where the first case was confirmed roughly 2 weeks ago on September 17th. And this case brings the number of confirmed cases of African swine fever in South Korea to 10. As for the countermeasures being taken by authorities, as of 3:30 a.m. Korea time on Wednesday, a 48-hour movement ban was enforced for all pigs in Gyeonggi-do Province, Incheon, and Gangwon-do Province. Officials hope the move will prevent the further spread of the deadly animal disease as they continue to search for the source of the virus. South Korea has culled more than 90,000 pigs so far to prevent the further spread of the disease. But with the latest case, the number will increase to more than 100,000. That's nearly 1% of all pigs in South Korea. African swine fever is highly contagious and nearly 100% fatal to swine herds. There's no vaccine for the disease, but it does not affect humans. So far, cases in South Korea have mostly been concentrated near the border with North Korea. Jung-hwan, Arirang News.